Hey everybody, so just as promised. Now, the exterior of the stripes, they are severely faded. I'm talking about they are gone. So I'm gonna be taking off the decals. The paint is in really rough condition. I just want you to see this. It's got a lot of water spotting when you look at it real close. It's got a ton of swirls. So I'm gonna be fixing all of this damage. The wheels are going to be taken off, fully ceramic coated on, the barrels, everything. We're going to detail the calipers, everything on this vehicle. Now, when you look at it real close, you can see it's got a metallic to it, but all the scratches and the oxidation is hiding it all. But when you look at it just right, you'll see this paint has sparkles. But anyways, the windshield is going to be receiving clear. All the exterior plastics such as this and this will be coated. All the exterior glass will be coated. And the interior will also be coated. We didn't tint this vehicle prior to this. The customer actually bought it tinted. But we will be tinting the windshield. You guys can definitely see the water spots on the wing over here. You can see the water spots and the swirls. And Mustangs are real bad about this area. This area always gets covered with scratches and swirls. You can see it on the lights, everything. So the main thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this baby back to life and go through everything. The dash is actually really cool on this car because the instrument cluster, I'll take a picture of it and kind of show you guys when I'm on the interior, but it's not an actual, it's a digital dash. So it's really cool. I've always loved digital dashes personally. But once again, this is the video as promised. We'll go in. Next, I'm gonna be removing the stripes and we'll see you guys soon. And thanks again for staying tuned with me.